Dear students, today I am here to give a lecture on the ecology, that is, introduction to ecology. Ecology, the term taken from the Greek word ecos, means the home, and logos means to study. It is the scientific study of interaction between organisms and their environment. Another definition, it is the study of all type of interaction among all type of organisms in all type of environment, or we can say it is the study of interaction between biotic component and abiotic component such as temperature, light, water, nutrients of the nature. So ecology is a broad topic and it includes the scientific study between the interaction of living beings with the non-living surroundings. It has many objectives. It is the most widely studied subject also. Here, environment is important. Environment includes everything which is surrounding an organism. Whether organism is present in water or present in terrestrial surface or is adapted to aerial mode of life. The environment means surrounding. Environment is a complex of many things like light, temperature, soil, water which surround an organism. Any external force, substance or condition which surrounds and affect the life of an organism in any way becomes a factor of its environment. These factors have been variously called environment factors, ecological factors, or simply factors, and many may be living as well as non-living abiotic factors. There are four categories of ecological factors. It includes climatic factors like light, temperature, rainfall, humidity, atmosphere, topographic factors like altitude, direction, steepness, edaphic factors. These deals with the formation of soil, its physical, chemical properties, biotic factors. These are all kind of interactions between different form of life like plants, animals and microorganisms. Now, before studying the realms of ecology, one should know what is actually the range of an ecological studies. Ecological studies has very broad range of they starts in this slide you can see the level of organization from very smallest level to the more complex level. For example, atoms, molecules, you can see molecules, particularly biomolecules, can form many different types of cell organelles, and all the cell organelles of a cell will form protoplasm, cell. Different kinds of cell will form tissues. Different type of tissues will form organs. Organs will form organ systems, and organ systems, different kind of organ system will form organism. Organism together will form population. Organisms, if they are of same species living in same area, they will form population. Populations of different species living in same area, they will form communities, and different type of communities together with the abiotic factors will constitute the ecosystem of the area. And the larger ecosystems are biomes, and global ecosystem is biosphere, later on earth, solar system, galaxies and universe. This is the level of organization. But what is the range of ecological studies? Ecological studies begins with the study of organism, population, communities and ecosystems, and further more complex ecosystems. There are basically four main realms of ecology. For example, at organism level it is the organism ecology. To study population it is the population ecology. To study the characteristics of communities, and it is the community ecology. And to study ecosystem it is the ecosystem ecology. Like other disciplines of the science. For example, if we are studying organs or organ system, the physiology is the discipline in which we can study tissue, we can study in histology, cells we can study in cell biology and cytology, biomolecules can be studied in molecular biology. So ecology can be broadly categorized into four different parts: organismal ecology, population ecology, community ecology, and ecosystem ecology. Now, this is an overview of these four major realms of ecology. Organism ecology is concerned with the behavioral, physiological, morphological ways in which individual organisms meet the challenges posed by their abiotic environment. The distribution of organisms is limited by the abiotic conditions they can tolerate. Organism ecology is popularly known as behavioral ecology, and the behavior is a unique part or unique feature of animals. So it is also known as animal behavior. So it is more related with the animals, and how an animal react to an external stimuli is known as animal behavior. Organism ecology may include further innate type of behavior, uh, foraging behaviors, courtship behavior, and many other kinds of behaviors. In population study, population is a group of individuals of a same species living in a particular geographical area. Population ecology concentrates mainly on the factors that affect population size and composition. Like in this case, we study population uh, density, we study the population dispersion pattern, we study population demographic features, we study the life strategies of population, we can study the survivorship curves and the population growth models. In community ecology, we study community. A community consists of all the organisms that inhabit a particular area. It is an assemblage of populations of different species. Community ecology focus on the study of interactions among organisms such as predation, competition. There are different type of competitions. The competition may be positive competition. The competition may be maybe negative competitions. In ecosystem ecology, an ecosystem includes all the abiotic factors in addition to the community of species that exist in a certain area. Ecosystem ecology mainly concerned with energy flow and mineral recycling among the various biotic and abiotic factors. The main objective of ecosystem study is to study the energy flow between different components of ecosystem as well as the nutrient recycling. So in this slide you can see that the flow of energy is unidirectional, and there is always loss of energy in an ecosystem. For energy, ecosystem is a open system, but in term of nutrients, if we talk about nutrients, ecosystem is closed system for nutrients, because nutrients are always recycled. Thanks.